Hello and welcome back. This is Azharul Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run sales campaign on Facebook Meta ads to generate sales for your product. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process there. So here you go. I'm on my computer screen and as you can see, I'm visiting Ads Manager page and you can see some of the campaigns that I've launched this week to experiment some stuff. Some of the campaigns generated post engagement. Some of the campaigns generated sales for me. For example, this campaign generated 3,058 video views, but this campaign generated me 8 sales for the product that I have been promoting. And if you just take a look here for this campaign specifically, I have just modified and posted another type of content and then created this ad campaign yesterday. And if you just take a look at the increment of the performance, the cost was for each of the conversion around £3, but now the cost has been went to only 1.5 pounds. So that's a huge improvement on the ads performance by simply changing the ad type and then targeting right audience. So without further ado, let me start creating another sales campaign so that you can learn the process step by step. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply make a post on my Facebook page. So I'm gonna go to Facebook. Here we go. Now it's time to go here on Ads Manager. So let me click on Ads Manager. And after that, from this page, we'll have 3 options: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. So we're gonna click on campaign. So let's click on create. And after that, we will see these objectives. Out of them, we're gonna select sales as our intention is to generate sales or conversion on our website. So let's click on sales and then let's click on continue. After that, we're gonna go with this manual sales campaign so that we'll have more control. So let's click here, let's click on continue. And after that, it is going to take us to this page. So I'm gonna type out something, let's say YTF. Instead of video, I'm gonna add photo promo and it's going to be sales and number is going to be 2. And I'm gonna copy this name so that I'll be able to add this on ad set and ads as well. All right, so in this page, we have to do nothing but for your information. If you are promoting any special category, for example, anything about credits or finance or anything about employment, housing or social issues, elections and politics, then you have to choose any of these categories. Otherwise, you simply can move on without selecting. And after that, we have got campaign details. The bidding type or the buying type is going to be auction and the campaign objective is sales. If you want, you can click on edit so that you can choose any other, let's say leads or whatever campaign you want to go with. But if your goal is to generate conversions or sales, make sure you are selecting sales. It's going to work best for you. All right, so for this option, I'm going to keep them as they are as of now. So let's click on next. And after that, we're gonna give this ad set a name as well, so which I have just copied from our campaign name. I've just pasted it here so that it's easier for me to understand which campaign or which let's say ad set I am actually working on. And after that, you can select the conversion location. For example, we are intended to get the traffic to my website so that from the website they will purchase and then the conversion will be counted. So I've just selected website, and after that, if I scroll a bit down, we're gonna find this performance goal. So obviously we're gonna select this one, maximize number of conversions. So we want more sales. Before you set your ad campaign, make sure you are setting the pixel for your website so that you can track users activities, and depending on their activities, you'll be able to retarget them to generate sales, and it will be cost efficient as well. So I'm going to select my pixel from here. So this one I'm going to select Rafy's course promo 1. And after that, we're going to select the conversion event. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to select purchase. So whenever someone will actually purchase a product from my website, then the conversion event will be let's say launched, and I'll see the conversion numbers. All right, so here you go, I have added this information. Now for cost per result goal, we are not gonna do anything here. Let Facebook optimize everything for us. And after that, we have got this one for dynamic creative. We're gonna select or turn this off as it is. And for budget and scheduling, I would suggest you to start with a low budget first, and then if the ad performs well, then you can increase the budget later on. So I'm gonna go with £5 per day to test out, and obviously I want this to be started as soon as possible. So let's say instead of 11, I'm gonna set 20. So Here you go. And if you want to set an in date for the campaign, here is the option. Simply click here and then you can specify the date and time. But for me, I want to stop this when I will feel like I should stop this ad campaign. So I'd love to keep this as a continuous ad. All right, so I'm going to uncheck this one. And after that, the budget scheduling. If you want your ad campaigns budget to be increased in a specific time, then you can set this from here as well. By clicking here, you can set the time and you can set the budget as well. So I'm gonna simply uncheck this one and let's go for this option, which is audience control. So I'm not gonna change this from here. What I am going to do, I'm going to click here on this switch to original audience options, and after that I'm gonna click on use original audience. And then we're going to scroll a bit down. We're going to find this option for creating new audience or use saved audience. So if you want, you can create a lookalike audience or custom audience from here by using the pixel data or the previous website activities of the audiences. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going a little bit down and then we'll find these locations, and I'm going to select on edit. And as of now, as I am currently in United Kingdom, so the location automatically been tracked and set to United Kingdom, but my product is for people who is living in Bangladesh. So I'm going to select Bangladesh here as the location, and after that I'm going to select the whole country. And then if you want, you can go specific by city or by postcode as well, but my target is the whole country. And then I'm gonna uncheck or cross this one, exclude the United Kingdom from this list, as this is not my targeted location for the product. So let's go a little bit down, and after that, from age, we can select the age of our targeted audience. So I'm going to select on edit, and after that, for this product, I've seen the people have been converting are in between the age range of 20 years to 25 years. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this one to 20 years, and I'm going to select or set this to, instead of 25, let's go for 30. That's going to work fine for me. And after that, from all genders, for me, the products that been sold, I've seen most of the people are converting are actually men. So in this regard, if your product is for both men's and women's, or both of the people are going to be benefited, then keep them all genders. Otherwise, click on edit, and after that select the, let's say, gender. So I'm going to go with men. And after that, audience detailed targeting. This is the real interesting field or the important field. So my product is targeted for online professionals who work from home, who is providing freelance services. So I'm going to add some targeting that is going to select people who are either working online on any of the job field or who have been providing freelance services. So to get these people, I have to find where these people would be. So for me, the freelance marketplaces are going to be helpful for targeting. So I'm going to type out Upwork, which is one of the most popular, let's say, freelance marketplaces in Bangladesh. So I'm going to select Upwork, and you can see the targeting just narrowed. But if I remove this one, you will see a huge number of people. Here we go, over 20 million or more than that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select Upwork, and after that, I'm going to add another market which is most popular in Bangladeshi people. You can see that the number of people or the audience size will be changed. So I'm going to select Fiber, and you can see it has just been changed. And then many people work as a blogger. So I'm going to type out, let's say, blogger who are online professional who might be interested in my product, who might be interested in starting a YouTube channel specifically. So I'm going to select blogger from here, and you can see the number will be changed here. Okay, then I'm going to go with more of the blogger. I've seen some other selections. So owner blogger as the job title. So blogger, and I'm going to select blogger admin, which is another job title. So whatever I have got here, I'm going to add them. So blog, website, blogger, or reblogger, I don't know what that means, but it's something to do with blogging. So I'm going to type out blogger, and after that, let's select this one. Okay, and after that, the platforms that blogger use. So one of the platforms bloggers use is WordPress, so that could be a helpful one. So let's say WordPress, and I'm going to select WordPress as an employee, then WordPress, let's see what appears as employers. And after that, what some other products people would be using who are freelancers or online professionals, the payment gateways, obviously, isn't it? So the Payoneer, PayPal, then other payment gateways. So I'm going to add, let's say, Payoneer here. Let's see what comes up. which is one of the most popular let's say payment gateways in Bangladesh. So it's an interest, but as it is highly, let's say, matching up with the interest of people who works online, so I'm gonna select Pioneer from here, and I'm gonna do the same for PayPal as well. Let's say PayPal, which is not available in Bangladesh, but online professionals are interested in this topic. So here we go, the PayPal. And after that, we can go more. For example, I can target people who provides video editing services, who might be interested in, let's say, starting a YouTube channel. So here we go, video editing as employers. So I'm going to select this one. Then let's type out video, and let's see what else comes up. Video production, job title, and then let's say video, and let's see what else just comes up. So basically you have to provide information like this to video game programmers. So let's type this out, video, and let's see what else we have got as job title. So videographer, I'm going to add this up here, and here we go. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for, let's say, digital marketers, digital marketer. What happens, let's say digital marketing. I'm going to get the job titles. Okay, so job titles and the employers. So job titles, so digital marketing, and here go, digital marketing strategist. Then I have got digital marketer, and here we go. Okay, so let's say people, let's target the web designers or the graphic designers. People who do graphic designing, they usually work on, let's say, Freepik. So let's see if I can find people from Freepik. Sorry, Freepik. No, okay, then they use Adobe Photoshop. So let me type out Adobe, and here you go, Adobe employers. I'm going to select them, then Adobe, and let's see what else we have got. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe, and we can see Adobe, then find the jobs. Nope, okay, no problem. And then Shopify would be another option, and after that we can select let's say Shopify as a software, which could be useful as well, but it's getting too broad. So what I can do, I can simply remove Shopify software interest from here, and then we can target more people based on the, let's say, hosting services they provide or the other marketplaces they go or spend time on. But unfortunately I'm not getting anything in mind but as of now. So what I can do, I can simply, let's say, target people who works on YouTube. So I'm going to add, let's say, YouTube, and then let's say YouTube here, YouTube, and after that, let's say people also has Google AdSense, and people who is affiliate marketers. Let's see what comes up. Affiliate marketing. So let's choose all of them, affiliate, and here you go, affiliate. So these are really targeted for my niche or the product. So basically this is how you have to target people, and if you want, you can do more narrowing. For example, if you want that someone who has any of these details on their profile, any of these things is going to be matched, and they must have to do something, have something else. For example, if I simply click here on define further, and all the points that I have added here, one of those points should be on their profile available, and along with that they have to be a YouTuber. So I can type out, let's say, YouTuber, and I can select this one. If I click on YouTube, you'll see that the audience number has been decreased and came to 28,000 only. So this way you can do laser targeting of your ad campaign. But what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to remove this one. I'm fine with this broad kind of targeting, but that's not too broad. All those people that I have targeted are basically aligning with my actual targeting that I want to go after. Okay, so after that, from language, you can select the language. So if you click here, you'll find the option. If you have got a language specific product, then you can search for it. For example, if you type Spain, you're gonna find Spanish, but I'm gonna go with all language. That's gonna work fine for me. And after that, the placement, which is really important for your ad campaign. So I'm gonna select manual placement, and after that, as this is an ad, or actually this is a photo, so I'm gonna select Facebook and Instagram. I'm gonna remove messenger. I'm going to remove audience network as well. And from these options, I'm going to select the placements from here. For feeds, I'm going to select Facebook feed, Facebook profile feed, then Instagram feed, Instagram profile feed. I don't want this ad to be visible on or appear on Facebook Marketplace, on video feeds, on right column, on Explore, on Instagram Explore Home. So basically I'm going to go with these options only, and I'm going to remove all of these options that's been selected. These are not profitable for me because the image is not vertical. So I'm gonna remove these options as well. These are not gonna go with me. I'm gonna remove this one. So depending on the copy or the, let's say, content that you're using, you can basically go with some of the other options, but I have chosen all these 4 stuff right here. Okay, now if I scroll a bit down, we're gonna find show more options. If I click here, you're gonna find that device specific. So basically you can decide, like if I click here, you can see all mobile device, Android device. So if you're promoting an app, you can select Android, otherwise go with all mobile devices. And then if you are promoting a video content, then make sure you are choosing this one only when connected to Wi-Fi. So when people are connected to Wi-Fi, they tend to watch a video content more than the usual. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck this one. This is a video campaign, a photo campaign, and we can simply ignore these options from here. Now we are done with, like, let's say, ad set. It's time to go for our actual ad. So we're going to click on next to go for the next page. And here we go, we are here. I'm going to paste the name of this campaign that I have given for the campaign ad set, and now we are on the ad page. All right, and after that, if you are creating this ad with a partnership with another company or someone else, then you can turn this off, otherwise keep this as it is. And then identify, make sure you are selecting the Facebook page. So for me, the Facebook page is going to be, let me type out here, Rafy's, and I'm going to select Rafy's from here. Okay, and after that we're going to select the ad setup. We're going to go here on ad setup. So I'm going to click on create ad. Instead of creating ad, if we want, we can create an ad right here, but what I'm going to do, I have made a post on the starting of this video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose that post instead. So I'm going to click here, and after that use existing post, and here we go. And after that we're going to keep this checked so that the ad will be shown while some other ads will be shown on Facebook as well. So it is going to help us get more reach or more exposure. That's it. And after that, we're gonna, from ad creative, we're gonna select our post. So I'm gonna click on select post, and we're gonna select this post that we're gonna promote, and let's click on continue. And after that, you can see ad creative has been selected. Now you can see the preview, like how it is going to look like on, let's say, your Facebook feed, your Facebook profile feed, then Instagram feed, Instagram profile feed, like that. Okay, it's looking nice here. And after that, we have to scroll a bit down. We're going to find this option. If you want, you can add some custom text by clicking here, but we're gonna keep this as it is. And then if you want, you can add a call to action button. So as my intention is to generate sales, what I'm gonna do, I can keep this as it is. For this photo campaign, let's just try. But what you can do, you can simply add a call to action button, which is recommended. So I'm actually going to do this as well. So let's click on add button, and after that, instead of learn more, I'm gonna click here, and you're going to find more options like get offer, get quote, and contact us, and many other options. So I'm gonna select sign up as of now, and then I'm gonna get the actual course URL here. So I've just copied the course URL from here, and let's go back here and paste the URL right here, and then click on update post. You'll see that a call to action button will be added right here. Just take a look, Rafy's, and sign up. And if I scroll a bit down, if you want, you can simply edit the, let's say, placement. So all these are actually looking nice here, so I'm not gonna edit them. If you want, you can highlight a promo code for this post, but I don't want to highlight the promo code. I would love to keep this as it is. And after that, what we have to do, we are done basically with all the setups. It's time to click on publish. So before that, if you want to preview the ad, you can simply click here on preview, and you can see what the ad is going to contain. Here's the website URL, that's looking fine. Then we have got like the post information, then the metapixel, make sure it is added, and all looks nice here. Ad preview, how it is going to look like on different devices or the different options. So here we go, it's looking nice. So finally, what we are going to do, we are going to simply click here on this publish button so that the ad will be published. So I'm going to click on publish, and here we go, publishing 1 of 3. Okay, so now you can see the processing status has been added here. And if I simply go back here and if I reload this page, you can see still it's under processing. So it usually takes 5 to 10 minutes for me to get an ad active, but sometimes it might going to take more time than 5 to 10 minutes. So please don't worry about that. So after processing, it is going to go under review, and if Facebook thinks that the ad is matching up with their community guidelines and going with all the standards that it requires, then your ad will be published. So let me just reload this page. You might going to see some changes appearing here. Let me take you on account overview or here on the campaigns, and from campaigns we're going to reload this page. Yeah, here we go, it's under review now. So within a few minutes it is going to be published, and then the ad will be started showing to more people. So this is it. I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and share this video to help your friends. And if you need help with Facebook or let's say Google Ads campaign, please don't hesitate to reach me out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.